Hi, I want you to think back to our writing yesterday. And we started with this. Okay, so you were writing, you were thinking about breakfast and what happened first, next, and last in your story. And remember, I was making pancakes, so I mixed my ingredients together. Then I cooked my pancakes. Then I went to get my syrup out, and I was so sad because I had no syrup. So I should add some grape jelly there because then I put grape jelly with my pancakes, and it ended up being really yummy. So as I think about that, I'm going to think about how I can write this story. So we haven't written stories very much at school, but right now, if we were at school, we would be writing stories. So our story that we're writing this week is all about breakfast. And so we'll keep going back to this. So I want you to make sure you keep this in a safe spot all week so that you can use it again. So our writing today, and I really wish I could show you, I'm going to get something from school soon, hopefully, that will help it so that just like when we're at school and I write something on my paper and you can see it up on the screen, hopefully I can get that machine from school so that I can do our writing lesson just like that and you can see it. But, so I went ahead, I have some writing paper and I wrote a sentence. I drew my picture. So you can draw your picture. Mine, here are my ingredients. I have my eggs, I have my milk, I have my mix, and I mixed them all together in my bowl. Do you see how I labeled a lot of things? That helps me to know what they are and to remember it. So then I wrote my sentence, and this already has the word first. You're going to have a paper just like this that you will get to write on. It says, first, I mixed my ingredients. Now, I want you to notice every time that we write, what do we have to have at the beginning of our sentence? We need to have our capital. My I is always capital when it's by itself because I am an important person. Okay, I put my finger spaces between my words. And very important, I put my period at the end. So mine says, first, I mixed my ingredients. I want you to go back to your picture from yesterday, right here. And I want you to just look at your first picture and think about that. What did you do first? That's the only thing you're going to write about today. And I want you to write that first sentence right here. First, I mixed my ingredients. Yours might be similar to mine. Yours might be different. As we think about this, I want you to think about when we do our writing in school. When we're at school, do all of our words have to be spelled exactly the right way? No. I ask you all the time to try your best. I want you to sound them out. So if I'm trying to sound out this word mixed, it might look like mixed. Actually, I am going to get me a little, I have my Post-it notes, all different colors. I'm going to get a Post-it note because I'm going to write down on here if I'm writing mixed. Let's see if you can see this okay. X, x, x. Mixed. I hear t at the end. If that's what you write, that is perfect and that is great. That's what I want you to do. Okay? If you're whatever you're writing, just like when we're in school, it does not have to be perfect, but you do have to try your best. Okay, so I want 3 main things when you're writing, just like we always do at school. Capital letter at the beginning, finger spaces between your words, and punctuation, period at the end. Those are the 3 things that we will keep focusing on. But try your best as you write your sentences, or your one sentence, I'm sorry.